Welcome to myBooks product demo tutorial. In this video, you are going to learn how to create credit notes on myBooks accounting software. Go to Transactions, select Credit Notes. In All Credit Note List page, click on Create Credit Note. Create or select the contact from the listed contacts. Enter the place of supply. Select the date from the drop-down. Enter the amount, account, and reason from drop-down, transport info, reference, etc. Click on Add Return Items. Create or select the item from the created item list. Enter the details such as quantity, rate, discount, tax, etc. Then click on Save. Now credit note is created. That's it. You created your credit notes on myBooks. Thanks for watching.